On today's Enrique's Home Buyer channel, we are going to talk about why rates are so important to your purchasing power. Welcome back. This is Enrique. This is a channel where I get to talk to you all about buying a home and becoming a homeowner. So don't forget, go check out some of my other videos, subscribe, everything you need to know about buying a house. Today, I'm going to talk to you about why rates are creating a problem for a lot of buyers. Basically, we know that many of you who are in the market to buy a home or who are thinking about buying a home, maybe you got pre-qualified earlier in the year or last year, maybe you were thinking of buying a home and you couldn't get an offer accepted, and then you stopped looking. And now you're thinking, well, maybe it's time to go back because prices are starting to drop a little bit. The biggest challenge you have is that rates are now 1.5% higher than they were just a few months ago. So that is going to reduce the purchasing power for your mortgage. Now, what do you do about it? Well, it's very simple. What you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go back to your lender or to a mortgage broker if you want to find someone else who can help you shop around for rates. And you're going to tell them that you need to get reapproved for the mortgage. Of course, if there's been changes on your credit, if there has been changes on your income, but also how much can you really afford now that rates are higher? You know, 1.5% higher on the rate is going to take a chunk out of your pre-qualification. So if you were having trouble qualifying before, it might actually be a little tougher. That's why we want to recommend that you take time to get that process started again if you are thinking about buying a home in the next month or two. I talked to someone the other day that said, oh, I'm already pre-approved. And I said, well, when did you get pre-approved? She goes, well, back in January, we just couldn't find a house. And I looked at that letter and they were approved for a mortgage at 3.5%. Right now, rates are a lot higher than that. So the purchasing power decreased and they were disappointed. But you know what? We are working with them to get them back into a home. So my recommendation is talk to your mortgage broker, go back and revisit your pre-approval, take a look at your credit. Can you make improvements on it? Maybe you got a raise. All those things matter a lot. So that's the information for today. Again, don't forget to hit subscribe. Follow us for more information. Have a great rest of the week. Talk to you soon.